Welcome to Overgo World, the channel for all things tech, vacations and holidays. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of the latest videos. Today we have Apple's brand new top of the range flagship iPhone, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm excited to unbox this and check out what's inside. Okay, so you can expect all the things that Apple usually include in the box with the new iPhone. That is the USB-C to Lightning cable, a SIM card removal pin, and a good old Apple sticker. But with Apple's environmental goals and sustainability outlook, you'll find that both the charging adapter and AirPods are sold separately. So budget for those unless you have spare ones to hand. Now, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It comes in 4 different colour options: silver, gold, or Apple's new colour options of either space black or deep purple. First impressions, the overall finish is nice. I do like the gold colour. The curved design also looks very sleek. I don't know what the Apple engineers are doing with their iPhones, but if you're a bit clumsy, that will be music to your ears to hear that this iPhone is water and dust resistant, has a ceramic shield front that is tougher than any other smartphone, and that Apple has used surgical grade stainless steel. Still, with this iPhone's glass back, it's definitely worth getting a phone case to protect your investment. Feel free to check out my other videos on the channel to see how the MagSafe cases look on an iPhone Pro Max. Storage capacity wise, Apple have got you covered. Starting at £1,199, you can get 128 gigabytes of storage. But more realistically, you'll probably find that you want to go for the 256 or 512 gigabyte option. Just as with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, Apple is again offering the newly added 1TB storage option. That will obviously set you back a bit more at £1,749. The phone itself is a good weight at around 240 grams. You can definitely enjoy the fantastic 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. The iPhone's always-on OLED display is incredible, boasting a sharp 460 pixels per inch resolution and a very bright 2000 nits screen. What's more, you have Apple's new A16 Bionic chip with special ProMotion technology. That's Apple's much cooler way of essentially saying that you're getting fast refresh rates of up to 120 Hz. All of which means you'll benefit from a much more responsive experience. One cool new feature with the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max models is the dynamic island, which replaces the notch. The dynamic island has different functions, so grows and morphs accordingly. Check out my separate video on that if you're interested. The True Depth front camera still houses the iPhone's Face ID technology, but the addition of autofocus will help, automatically focus on the user whilst taking selfies or using FaceTime. The iPhone also features a new 48 megapixel main camera, alongside the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, so you can keep on capturing spectacular moments through photos. Plus, there is now also action mode, which helps stabilize any shakiness and fast movements. This new addition nicely complements existing video capabilities with cinematic, macro and night modes. What else should you know? The battery life is good, and the rechargeable lithium-ion battery can supposedly last for up to 29 hours of video playback on a single charge. That's a whole 6 hours more than the iPhone 14 Pro model. Apple have also added to their safety features by introducing crash detection, which links into the existing emergency SOS function. The iPhone also supports super fast 5G connectivity and comes ready to go with iOS 16. Overall, Apple have made a pretty convincing case for the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Compared to much earlier iPhone models, there is faster performance, better battery life, and a major upgrade to the camera system. But what if you've recently upgraded? Is it worth splashing out on the new iPhone 14 Pro Max? To help you decide, check out my comparison video, where we'll see just how much of a difference there really is between the iPhone 14 and previous models, including the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Thanks for watching, and as always, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video.